Hello sawdust lovers, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build a pair of sawhorse that can withstand enormous weights. At the end of this video, I'm going to put them to test in an original way. So stick with me and you'll be able to witness for yourself. I will also provide you with a basic construction plan and explain how you can adapt it to your specific needs. So, let's go to work. To build what I consider to be some of the strongest wooden sawhorses, I used two 10-inch joist pieces I salvaged from a construction site in a waste bin. I also used two pieces of 8 feet 2x4s and one 8 feet 2x6. This sawhorse design can be constructed using various types of cheap framing lumber. I acknowledge that not everyone may have easy access to joist pieces. Alternatively, you can build your own H-beam for the sawhorse body using 2x4s, 2x6, or even 2x10s. To demonstrate this, I will be creating a short video in the future solely utilizing 2x4s. Alright, let's start cutting and assembling. Join me now as I venture outside to put our sawhorses to the test and assess their endurance. A good sawhorse should be stable and able to support heavy loads without wobbling or tipping over. It should have a solid base and a well-balanced design. While quality is always important, a good sawhorse should also be affordable and provide value for your money. It should offer a balance between price and performance. Based on the result achieved in this test, I sincerely endorse this model for anyone interested in constructing a robust sawhorse. I firmly believe that a set of these sawhorses can securely bear double the weight of this log without any risk of failure.